Performance Plus hand pads and scrubbers can be used for a variety of different cleaning processes, great for everyday and food service applications. The Performance Plus medium duty pad is made with a polyblend construction and is great for general purpose cleaning. It rinses clean and is long lasting. Our heavy duty pad is made with a thick polyblend construction with a heavy duty abrasive texture. Rugged and flexible, it's great for corners and hard to reach areas. Performance Plus also carries a yellow cellulose scrubbing sponge, which is backed with a medium-duty green pad for general cleaning. It works well on ovens, walls, countertops, sinks, bathrooms, and anywhere else medium-duty cleaning is required. Antimicrobial treated and individually wrapped for convenience. Also, check out our wide-band construction stainless steel scrubber. This is the strongest and longest lasting stainless steel scrubber available. It won't rust or splinter. For more information, visit us at www.performanceplus-products.com.